In the sun-drenched savannas lived a little lion named Leo. Leo had a mighty roar, or so he thought. He loved to roar more than anything else. When his mom called him for breakfast, he'd roar back, "I'm coming," so loudly that the acacia leaves trembled. When his friends wanted to play, he'd roar, "I have the best idea." Before anyone could say a word, Leo always wanted to roar first and listen later. He believed the loudest voice was always the most important. One sunny morning, the wise old elephant, Elara, gathered all the young animals for a game of Whisper a Wish. The rule was simple: whisper a wish to the animal next to you, and pass it on. When it was Leo's turn to listen, he was too busy practicing his next big roar. He didn't hear the monkey's wish for a banana. He just roared, "A giant mud puddle," and passed that along. The message got all mixed up, and soon, the animals were chasing each other in circles, confused and a little bit sad. Leo felt his cheeks get hot. He hadn't meant to spoil the game. Elara the elephant came over and gently said, "Leo, a true leader isn't the one who roars the loudest, but the one who listens the closest. When you listen, you understand. And when you understand, you truly connect with others." Leo looked at his friends. He saw the gentle deer who wanted to wish for fresh berries, and the playful meerkat who wanted to wish for a new tunnel to explore. He realized his roars had been blocking out their voices. From that day on, Leo practiced listening. He learned that the quietest whisper could hold the biggest secret, and that everyone's voice, no matter how small, deserved to be heard. He still had his mighty roar, but now he used it to celebrate his friends' ideas, not to shout over them. He discovered that listening wasn't a weakness. It was his greatest strength, a power far greater than the loudest roar. And because he listened, he became the best friend and leader the savannah had ever known. If you loved Leo's story, make sure to follow our channel for more adventures that will warm your heart and teach you something new. Thanks for watching.